Hello there and welcome to our channel. It's great to have you with us today. And if you're a thrill seeker or an adventure enthusiast, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to take you on an adventure to one of the most beautiful countries in the world, New Zealand. Known for its stunning landscapes, friendly locals, and adrenaline-pumping activities, it's no wonder that it's one of the top adventure destinations on the planet. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list of the top 10 adventure activities to do in New Zealand. Number 1. Bungee jumping. Let's start with the ultimate adrenaline rush, bungee jumping. Did you know that New Zealand is actually the birthplace of bungee jumping? And it's still one of the best places in the world to do it. From the iconic Kawara Bridge bungee in Queenstown to the Nevis bungee, which is one of the highest in the world, there are plenty of options for thrill seekers. Number 2. Skydiving. For a unique perspective on New Zealand's stunning scenery, try skydiving from high above. Imagine free-falling at 200 km/h over the snow-capped mountains or the turquoise waters of Abel Tasman National Park. It's an experience you'll never forget. Number 3 is hiking. New Zealand has many amazing hiking trails, including the famous Milford Track and the Tongariro Alpine Crossing. These trails offer breathtaking views of the country's stunning landscapes, from snow-capped mountains to lush forests and crystal-clear lakes. Number 4. Ziplining. Experience the thrill of ziplining through the lush forests and mountains of New Zealand. Imagine soaring through the air, surrounded by the beautiful scenery of Queenstown or Rotorua. It's a great way to experience the country's natural beauty from a unique perspective. Number 5. Glacier hiking. Take a guided tour to explore the stunning glaciers of New Zealand, such as the Franz Josef Glacier and the Fox Glacier. These glaciers are truly awe-inspiring, with their towering ice formations and turquoise pools. It's a once-in-a-lifetime adventure that you won't forget. Number 6. Surfing. The rugged coastline of New Zealand is a great place to catch some waves, with popular surf spots such as Raglan and Paiha. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced surfer, there's something for everyone in New Zealand's surf scene. Number 7. Whitewater rafting. For an adrenaline-pumping adventure, try whitewater rafting on one of New Zealand's many rivers. From the Shotover River in Queenstown to the Kaituna River in Rotorua, there are plenty of rapids to conquer. It's an exhilarating experience that you won't forget. Number 8. Skywalk. If you're not afraid of heights, take a stroll on the edge of the Sky Tower in Auckland, New Zealand's tallest building. The Skywalk offers a 360-degree view of the city, with nothing but a harness and a safety rope to keep you from falling. Number 9. Skiing and snowboarding. New Zealand's winter season offers excellent skiing and snowboarding opportunities, with popular resorts such as Queenstown and Wanaka. With its stunning alpine scenery and fresh powder snow, it's a winter wonderland that every snow lover should experience. Number 10. Last but not least, we have jet boating. Hold on tight as we ride the rapids of New Zealand's rivers on a high-speed jet boat. Jet boating is a unique way to experience the beauty of New Zealand's natural landscapes, and it's a popular activity for tourists and locals alike. Jet boating is a thrilling experience that takes you through narrow canyons, over shallow riverbeds, and under under waterfalls. With powerful engines and skilled drivers, jet boats can reach speeds of up to 80 km/h, allowing you to zip through the water with ease. I hope you will never skip these things to do in New Zealand, and I guarantee you that you will never forget that experience in your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel and adventure content. Also, let us know in the comments below which country you're most excited to visit. See you in the next video.